Hello and welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. So I went over onto the the pets here, and indeed the business keyboard on a pet does not have the right shift key. Sorry, it has one on the right, it has one on the left, and all that, but they are not the triple wide. The ones that have the triple wide are the small screen 4016. Actually, I'm just thinking as I look over. Let me just go back over here for a second and see. 8032 pet. See, I have a lot of large screen machines here. I do. Anyway, I think the reason this is so rare and hard to find. Oh, there's one. Okay. So yeah, a 4032 big screen or little screen, I believe, had the right sort of shift key that this fellow was looking for and has been looking for 3 years. And so I have taken one off a machine that I don't know if it works or not. It's missing something else here. Oh, it's missing the shift lock key. Anyway, someday I may come to regret this, but I don't know. See, I've got all these varying machines to work on and fix. But ultimately, I'll probably end up with a spare keyboard or so. Probably, but I can just see years from now there'll be like, oh yes, this would be a perfect machine if only I had the shift key. The one that I'm about to put triple wide shift key 4016. See, the 8032 and the Super Pet did indeed have the business keyboard, which was slightly different and had shift keys, but they were not as big as this. Hang on. I'm going to open this bag. And here is, if you can see that, that's the spring. Sometimes when you take these things apart and out, the thing the key mounts on comes with it, because I think they were glued on. Sometimes they don't. Maybe they weren't glued on, but they come off. Anyway, here is the little stem. Definitely, definitely a pet thing. I will put that in the bag. And here is the sacred triple wide shift key. And if you look in the back, it really isn't as wide as 3 keys. It's more like 2, but it's big, it's wide. And if you look in the back, it really kind of has 3 compartments. And that is the one that I believe that this fellow is seeking. So, I will put that with these other little bags and prepare. By the way, I have been having this program over here, the 8K Poker, if you remember from a couple of videos ago. It's now been running for 40 minutes. Or no, maybe it's not 40 minutes, 4,079.80 seconds. And what is it doing? I have no clue. But it's still doing it. So now, chances are what I should do is look for a sandwich bag to put these little bags in so that Rudy has everything all together. Anyway, I should go through these bags of keys Let's see, it's been a long time since I've really been shipping anything. It's funny, a lot of people, COVID was the beginning of when they started shipping things, and with me, it kind of everything got stopped. But I have ship keys all over the place. And in here, it does look like I have a vast assortment, some of which I may need when I'm putting these things back together. I'm just not sure. We'll see about that. We shall. Anyway, as I look at the blue bezel pet in front of me, it definitely has the triple wide. But as it is working, and it is happy, and it is glorious, I wasn't going to take any off of there. The other machine, the one I was working on, Dusty, Rusty, and Crusty, it actually is missing both of such shift keys. That is disturbing. It is. And I suspect they're both the same. They both do mount in the middle. They do. Anyway, right. So what am I gonna do? Well, I guess I'm gonna turn this pet off because it doesn't really need to be on doing whatever it's doing, which it's never gonna come out of. It does seem that what happens is I'm gonna hit the run stop and hold it and touch other keys, and it does nothing. It does seem that what it does, it has data, and I think the data is the little machine language routine that this thing is doing, and it does whatever it does for 4,223 seconds. Maybe if something is wrong, maybe it will tell me that something is wrong. Maybe it's looking for trouble with RAM chips. You know what? I'll leave it on for a while longer. What the heck? What the heck? So what else is going on in here? What isn't? It is endless. And I'm getting tired. Oh! So yes, I was up on the ladder getting this 1250. Well, that's what I should do. I should go and get the 1250 printer and see what I can see with it. So for Rudy, I need chips, 1250 printer, and the key. Woo! And I have such things available. I do. And here is this blue bezel pet, which is cooking away. Let's see if there's... I wonder, as I sit here, what is this bag? Why is it here? Why is it here? Oh, okay. Now I know why it's here. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, so a while ago, back to the thrifting sort of thing, I was in Shoppers Drug Mart, and I guess it was well after Pride celebrations, and they had some things such as this, a 3x5. Now, I think now, already, this flag is outdated. I think they've made another change to it. But anyway, they are quite happy and wonderful, and 3 feet by 5 feet, and see, that's what the flag looks like. But I think now they've added something to the upper like triangle thing there, and I should check and see. But anyway, so yeah, I got that, and also it seems I have another couple of water bottles, which I have not used, which maybe I should use, and maybe I will use. Anyway, does this stuff need to be in here? No. Not really. So I think I'll put it over here, and I'll take it out of here. And you know what? I've been thinking for quite some time that so I have a better idea of what I've done. I should jot things down as I finish a video so that I don't forget. And what was I doing here? Oh yeah, long triple shift 4016. Anyway, I should jot things down so as I'm putting things up online, I don't have to look back and say, hey, what was I doing there? What was I doing? Well, I see a big triangle, not a triangle, rectangle over there. It's the end of a 1541 box. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Anyway, I think that's enough for now. I am getting a little on the hungry side, and I still have to check this 1250 printer. Perhaps I will record that. But for the moment, I think what I'll do is put this phone back on the charger, and I'm going to let this thing keep on poking, whatever it's doing, and maybe I'll turn the blue bezel pet off. I was doing a thing, I was recording the screen, but I don't think I did a very good job of it. So maybe I'll do that again later. Anyway, thanks for coming. There's always something happening in the pet room. Generally pet related, certainly Commodore related. And by the way, if you are looking for any sort of keycap things, I might have them. Certainly I know the rarest of the rare are for the SX64, and I did have a keyboard or two from an SX64 that was bad, so I have saved the keys. I have. So they are rare. They are tough to find, and it's horrible to have a machine that's perfectly perfect, missing a key or more than one key. It is. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see you again soon in the pet room. Chances are tomorrow, about 6 p.m. Toronto time. David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.